Hello guys, welcome back. This is Onyx Food Hill. So in today's video we are going to be making something unique and very different. I'm going to be showing you how to make soursop juice at home. Soursop is an exotic juice that tastes like pineapple, berries and citrus. It has such a refreshing and a unique taste, and it has a creamy texture. A lot of people consume it for weight loss, so it has so many health benefits that I can't just mention here. I have like 3 here, but I'm going to be using 2 of these fruits in this video. Then what we are going to do, we are going to start by peeling the fruit. But first of all, you have to make sure you rinse the fruit and pat it dry. Okay, so I'm going to be starting with this very one. You don't really need a blender to make soursop juice. You can just use your hand. So we are going to start by removing the skin. Make sure your hands are clean. This is very soft. Just pinch the skin and it will be off. So I'm going to transfer this into another plate. Once the fruit is very ripe, it's easy to peel it. Mine is a little bit overripe, that's why it's crumbled in the plate. So, okay, I'm just peeling the second one. This one is a little bit firm. So once you're done peeling this, just split it in the center and take out the stem. This is the stem. Okay, it comes out easily. We are going to be focusing on the pulp and the seeds, so I'm just going to bring it into a big bowl. Now to the bowl, I'm going to add in a little water. Just going to mix this with a little water at a time. You're just going to squeeze the seeds from the pulp to extract juice. When you're doing this, just make sure your hands are very clean. Another way to remove the juice, to carefully select the seed from the pulp, then add this to the blender and blend. But that might take a little while, so I'm just going to use my hand to do this. This is quite too thick. I'm just going to add more water to this. Once I'm done squeezing this, I'm going to strain this. Just squeeze all the juice out. Okay, so I'm done taking out all the juice. Look at this rich and thick soursop juice here. So I'm going to still bring this into the bowl again. There's still more juice in the pulp, so we are going to get everything out. I'm just going to add more water, but just a little. Just make sure you don't add too much water so it will still retain its sweetness. Okay, so we are done squeezing this out. Now we are left with the pulp and the seeds. You can throw the seeds in your garden to have your own soursop tree. You don't have to go searching for this to buy next time. And also, you might be tempted to add more water to the pulp because it still tastes very sweet, so you just feel free to do whatever you want to do with it. And as for me, this looks chewy. I love to chew it because it's still very sweet. I just want to show you how creamy and thick the juice is. This is it. I will still have to strain this the final time just to be sure the seed and the pulp didn't pass through the other sieve. I'm going to show you the 2 ways to make it. So I'm going to divide the juice into 2 equal. One, we are going to use condensed milk to make it. Then the other, we are going to use lime and ginger. Okay, into this I'm going to be adding condensed milk. You can add as much as you want. This is another way to do it. I'm just adding in condensed milk. Okay, I'm adding in a pinch of ground cinnamon. I'm also going to grate in some nutmeg into it. Adding in the grated nutmeg. Okay, after that I'm just going to stir this to combine. Then you can add in vanilla essence if you like the flavor of vanilla. Okay, for a creamier texture, I'm still going to be adding in more of the condensed milk. Okay, look how creamy and thick it is. So this is the milk version. Then this other one, we are going to add in ginger and lemon juice. I have some peeled ginger here, but I'm going to be using just a piece. So I'm going to chop these. Okay, into the blender I'm going to add in the chopped ginger. Then add about 4 tablespoons of the soursop juice. I'm just going to pulse this a few times to get a smooth texture. So I'm just going to strain this back into the main juice. After that, I'm just going to squeeze in half lemon just to test. You can add it to your own taste. I'm going to be adding in half a teaspoon of sugar. Not too much, you can skip that. This is already sweet. Stir this a little bit to combine. One is made of cream, it looks so rich and creamy, while this is made with lemon and ginger. It has a nice taste of ginger and lemon, tastes really good. You can now serve this chilled or pour it over ice and enjoy. You now have your soursop juice ready. Soursop juice is rich in fiber, it has very few calories, and it's rich in vitamin C. This is very healthy for you. You can just have this at the comfort of your home. This was how to make your own soursop juice at home. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you loved this video. Do give me a thumbs up if you do. Subscribe to this channel and also share this with your friends. Until next time, see you shortly. Bye.